Hello guys, welcome back to another week. Well, halfway through November, US dollar is flying since October. Trump is in power, Elon Musk is on the White House, and everything is finishing up with a good year. 2024 has been such a good year. Been sharing those moments with everyone here. Now, what's going on this week? What's happening around this week? I'm gonna be very honest with everyone here. Not much is happening until Friday, okay? I was looking at the economic calendar. We do have some CPI for Europe on Tuesday, so tomorrow. We do have some CPI as well for UK, if I'm not wrong. Let me just check. Yeah, for UK on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, we don't have much. We just have FOMC member Boardman giving us a speech. And then on Friday, it's where the fun begins on the market. We're going to have core retail sales for UK, German GDP, German services PMI, ECB President Lagarde will give a speech, as well as manufacturing PMI for Europe, services PMI for UK, and that's where we're going to be looking at some volatility. All right, we don't have any central bank giving us a rate decision, but we do have some hype up already for next month central bank meetings on the 12th of December and on the 18th of December. 12th of December will be ECB and the 18th of December will be FOMC. Now, those two are very on the outlook for the central banks on the G10 economies, all right? In my opinion, Euro-dollar is one of the best pairs and USDJPY one of the best pairs that you could be trading at the moment. Plenty of opportunities. We've seen Euro-dollar reaching 105. Well, briefly touching base in under the 105 support, 104.993, if I'm not wrong. But I do believe that 105 will be a very good support. Maybe a bounce back we could expect this week to look for another short opportunities. I'm waiting for the market to, correct itself to continue to add to my short positions. Now, on the USDJPY side, as I've mentioned, I went to Osby's last Friday and I've mentioned, I think she asked me, what do you think about Japanese yen? Do you think they will hike the interest rates? If you haven't watched that video yet, make sure to go into the channel and watch the last video from Friday. And as you're there, give us a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to the channel, of course. And don't forget that tomorrow from 5 to 6 p.m. we're gonna have the webinar, the first Tuesday webinar, and then Wednesday we have webinar, and then Thursday we have webinar as well. Now, coming back, as I was saying, she was asking me, do you think that the Bank of Japan will increase the rates this year? To be very honest with everyone, I do believe USDJPY can come back to 170 at this stage. Okay, we are trading USDJPY right now at 154.880. Okay, all the way down to 140. All right, all the way down to 140 on October. Well, end of September to beginning of October. We've been trading to 140 all the way now to 150, pretty much 155, let's say. So I don't believe they will increase another 25 basis points. I think if they should increase, that has to be done. They could use the 160 level of 161 level on USDJPY all the way down to 140 level to see that the US dollar was very weak, the Japanese yen was very strong. That's the time they could do the hike to try to monetize on top of the weakness of the US dollar. All right, and then make the JPY stronger. So they couldn't, and they won't do it anymore. Remember, 170 is my target on USDJPY, and I do believe on a bounce back on Euro-dollar for this week and adding on my shorts to 104 to target 104 on Euro-dollar. Now that you know, put your question down in the comment and don't forget to register yourself for the webinar tomorrow. If you've not yet on the Telegram group, what are you waiting for? Go into the description of this video and click into join now for the Telegram group as well. All right, I gotta go now. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great week ahead and I'll see you tomorrow on the webinar or I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.